guys, welcome back to the channel. We have an exciting giveaway for you guys today. Finally, we hit 60,000 subscribers, not only here on YouTube, but we actually just hit 60,000 subscribers on TikTok as well. So this is like a double celebration for this giveaway. If you don't follow us on TikTok, I will put our TikTok in the description. Make sure you guys go over there and follow us. But we are gonna do a giveaway with you guys, and there's gonna be one lucky winner that is going to win all of this, and it is probably double the size of what we did for our 50,000 subscriber giveaway, and we have a lot of good stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna show you everything that we're gonna be giving away, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can enter to win this giveaway. All right, Braylon, do you want to go ahead and show them everything that they're going to get in this giveaway?
A cat pull and pop, a lizard, a stretchy lizard, and a stretchy crocodile.
So you get both of these. And let me just warn you, these things are extremely, extremely sticky, right? Yeah, so just warning on these.
Some Sour Bite Crawlers, Very Berry Trolley Gummies. And then just the regular Trolley Gummies. Worm. Two Poppet Balls, a purple and a yellow.
I told you I was stocking up on what I'm going to give them.
A camo remote controller
Poppet.
A glittery astronaut Poppet. A snapper French fries.
These are actually really good snappers for Five Below. Like, they have a good snap to it.
A green and yellow thing, shaggy thing.
Koosh ball.
Koosh ball. And a blue and green one.
They call them a shoosh ball, but the real name for these are a koosh ball. So,
some trolley sour watermelon sharks.
Okay, you better like sour candy because we got a lot of sour gummy candy here.
Some monkey noodles.
How many's in there?
3.
A 3-pack of monkey noodles. Okay.
Marble charger.
And I'm assuming this fits.
That's iPhone.
Oh yeah. iPhones, but if you don't have an iPhone, it also does iPads, iPad minis, all of that. So,
a Spider-Man sleep mask. Some
pop tubes. Braylon is not thinking very well. These are glow in the dark, and they're a 3-pack. So, and they're the mini. Are these the minis? The mini ones?
Wacky tracks, 2 of them, an orange and blue and a green and blue.
And they're also glow in the dark.
And they're glow. Oops. Some Starburst.
More candy.
Next is a Loopy Looper, an orange one. This is the jump one.
The jump, yeah. So this
one's
like
harder. It's a bit harder.
Yeah, it's like a medium. Wait, is this? Yeah, this is the medium one, like the level of easy to hard. This is the medium. So
some Skittles, a fidget spinner dimple.
Yeah.
What's on it? An alien. There's alien heads on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah.
A Poppet bracelet that is all different shades of blue, and it's like camo. And the last thing, so I went through all my Squishmallows and I'm selling a lot of them, so we decided just to put a Squishmallow into the giveaway, and it is this unicorn. And this was like one of my first Squishmallows, so yeah.
And you got it Five Below.
Yeah.
And it is one of her first ones, so you will have one of Braylon's Squishmallows. All right, so this is everything that we are gonna give away. It is so much. I am so excited to box this up and send this off to one of you guys. Now, the rules on how to win this giveaway. First, of course you have to be subscribed, okay? So make sure you're subscribing. If you're not already subscribed, if you're already subscribed, that's fine. Like, you're already gonna be able to be entered into the giveaway. And you must turn on the post notification bell. That is the little bell there that notifies you anytime that we post. That way you can be one of the first ones to watch our videos. I need you to be active. So that means comment on all of our videos that you see. Just interact with us. Just make sure you're active. If we do lives, make sure you join our lives. All right, the next couple things you don't have to do, but it is going to kind of help increase your chances of this giveaway, okay? So if you have Instagram, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. Make sure you're liking and commenting on our Instagram post. The last thing is following us on TikTok. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be a little younger and you can't have TikTok, and that's fine. We understand. Like I said, if you are subscribed and have the post notification and are interacting on our YouTube, that still gets you in the drawing for the giveaway. But if you do have TikTok, make sure you're following us there, commenting, liking, all of those above things that I've said about our other social media platforms. Also, please make sure that you have your parents' permission to be able to be entered into this giveaway. So I need to make sure that you have their permission, so that way when I contact you about winning the giveaway, that your parents aren't like, what is this all about? I've had that happen before, and I don't want that to happen again. So just make sure your parents know that you want to try to be entered into this giveaway. The last thing that I need you to do is comment on this video why you feel that you should be selected to be the winner of this giveaway. And I will be reading, and Braylon will be reading every single one of your comments, and then we are going to pick one, just one this time. Last time we did two. And you're going to get all of the things that we just showed you in one big box delivered directly to your house.
Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash the face. Peace.